That's pretty snazzy. New leak.
So we'll go for a little short reel.
All right. They're holding close to the camera, make him look bigger. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Got a little video here today. We caught a couple fish in my buddy's Jet Jon boat that he built in his garage. Wanted to show it to you. Hope you enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks so much for tuning in. Here it is in all its glory. Get some quick video here. We ain't had rain for a while, so the river is a little low. All right, there we go, and we're floating, baby. Sorry about the bad camera angle. That's all I got today. All right, my rooster tail is not rooster tailing. What's going on? How's this for Jon boat repair, redneck style? Fishing worms in the crack where the welds broke. So my phone overheated and my buddy back there caught another fish. I hope it got it, but it probably didn't. Oh, really? Man, you're like the fish guru or something. I mean, like, they wherever you go, they go. That's crazy. Hey, look, I'll take a brim. I don't discriminate when it comes to catching fish. I take them all. When you suck as bad as I do, you know, you just want to catch something. Water's a little deeper right here, so it's a little bit cooler. It's been nice. Yep, got you one.
Little baby.
Little baby. Goodness gracious.
Little baby long-eared sunfish.
Long-eared sunfish.
One of the prettiest fish in this river.
Really? Well, let's put it on camera.
Get one, man, like later in the season.
Yeah.
I got pictures I can show you. They're like a bright orange. Got some blue in them.
Oh, check that out. That's really cool. That is a pretty little fish. Goodness gracious. Let's catch a few more. Well, how about I catch one and then you catch a few more? My other fishing buddy, he would say this is a typical day. Whoever I'm fishing with is catching. Well, I was just about to pull it out of the water and this little bass jumped right up on it. They're holding close to the camera, make him look bigger. That's one. A huge red drum right there. Let's see if I can get him to. All right, let me see. You foul hooked that one? Let me see what I can do out here. I'm still trying for this drum. I think he's done moved now. Yep. You got 6, I've got 2. But hey, I've got 2. That is exactly right. You saw that car in the river down below the bridge before, haven't you? Yeah. It was still there last year when I went on Father's Day. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, it looks like it's lodged in pretty good. Drop the fish in the boat, and there's enough water in the boat. He's swimming. Where's he swimming at?
Oh, he's right up under.
There he is. What a day on the river. I tell you what, if you like fishing, if you like getting out on creeks, rivers, lakes, or anything like that, and you're interested in real estate, give me a call. Send me a message through my website, WayneTrammellRealEstate.com. I'd be happy to help you out. I'm a local realtor and would love to represent you and help you in finding your next home that allows you to enjoy the water like this.